Hey guys, Brian here, and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I want to do like some real talk again because my son is sitting right next to me. And then every time it gets cold around here, I kind of get like seasonal depression or something. But that's beyond what I want to talk about. So even though like the main topic of this is I think I need to budget better, and I hate budgeting. And the reason why I say this isn't because I'm like living paycheck to paycheck or anything, but I feel like I could be doing way better, way more with my money. And I'm letting things fall through the crack. But and the reason why I say this, like, so net worth wise, yeah, I'm like 1.4 million dollars because of stocks, crypto, and real estate. Even though if you watched my last video, the plan is to get rid of some of my real estate because, well, at least one house, because I need to get rid of it. But my thought process is I'm enjoying too much things. Like, even though if it's like eating out or like coffees and all that, I'm enjoying too much things where I shouldn't be. I'm giving myself this like quick gratification of doing stuff, and that's my son right there. But I'm not like achieving anything yet. I'm like giving myself these quick hits of dopamine of like, yeah, I know I'm going to get there and I'm going to buy something now, or I feel like I deserve it. And even though I'm doing well, even though my family's doing well, we have a roof over our head and we're not paycheck to paycheck, I feel like I'm doing everything wrong. And like I said, like once it gets cold, it gets dark early, this is like the type of person I become. And I think I might be more inclined to stick to a budget or to be better with my finances, like my personal finances, even more. Like, hey, bud. And I'm like good at investing. I know what I'm doing. I've done really well, but I really do feel like a few extra bucks I'm using towards coffee, buying lunch, eating out all the time could be used way better. Especially that it's not like I don't have food at home to bring for like leftovers. It's like my wife's cooking is amazing. I'm just lazy to pack it. I'm just lazy, yeah, to pack it the day before or just to put it into like a container. And this would save me hundreds of dollars, maybe even thousands of dollars a year. And I probably need to get on, like, talk to my wife about what we should do for like date nights and stuff, because we both like to eat out, and that's not even like it's not even like fancy stuff. Sometimes it's just like fast food. So it's also not even like healthy food. But overall, like money situation and all that, we could definitely be doing better, in my opinion, even though we're doing well. Um, like instead of just doing all that, I could be putting it towards my brokerage accounts. I could be doing more investing, and all that would probably lift some weight off my shoulders. And like the weight on my shoulders, like I don't have any consumer debt, but I have like mortgages. And that's why I always talk about that too. Maybe I should just pay that off, because then I could literally live like a fully debt-free life. And I feel like that would lift a lot of weight off my shoulders. But I just can't seem to get myself to sell some of my assets to do so. So this is just some thoughts that I have for myself and thoughts that I need to figure out for myself. So if you guys have any tips, anything that helped you get through your financial situation, let me know, because I like to hear how everyone else is doing their personal finances and figuring out things. And even though we may be in very different positions, a lot of us go through the same kind of emotions. So like the psychology of money, the emotions of money all get to me every like winter. And even though Thanksgiving is coming up, I'm very thankful for the position that I'm in and all of that. Like, I'm doing way better than a lot of people my age, but I know I could be more efficient. I could just do more with what I have. So let me know what you guys think. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon. Peace.